Okay, now we are checking what is density. So density is nothing but mass of a substance by volume of the substance. That is density. It is a scalar quantity, mass of a substance divided by volume of the substance. So what is the unit for density? Unit for density is mass, unit of mass divided by unit of volume. That is kg per meter cube. That is nothing but kg per meter cube. Sir, what is the dimension of density? Dimension of density is dimension of mass divided by dimension of volume. That means m by L cube, that is ml raised to minus 3. ml raised to minus 3. And the density of water at 4 degrees Celsius. Density of water at 4 degrees Celsius. Density of water at 4 degrees Celsius is 1000 kilogram by meter cube. Okay, what is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of this? We take a container having volume 1 meter cube. We took a container, it is having a volume of 1 meter cube, and if we fill completely with water, fill it completely with water, and how much it weigh? That means 100 kilogram. It will weigh 100 kilogram. That is density of water. Water is considered as a standard fluid for measuring relative density. That we will take in the next section. Okay, density of water. Sir, what density of mercury? Density of mercury is very important because mercury is using barometer. It is having highest density. You should keep this value 13,600 kilogram per meter cube. 13,600 divided by kilogram by meter cube. That is density. Density is a scalar quantity. It is having no direction. Sir, what is relative density, or otherwise it is known as specific gravity? Relative density, or otherwise it is known as specific gravity. Relative density or specific gravity. So relative density of a substance is equal to density of that substance by density of standard fluid. Density of that substance by density of standard fluid. Density comparison. Okay. Density comparison, we could say relative density is equal to density of a substance. Density of a substance by density of standard fluid. Density of a substance by density of a substance by density of standard fluid. That means density of, for fluid we can take it as density of water. Density of water. Sir, then how much will be the relative density of water? Density of water by density of water, that will be 1. And next question, this is the most important question. What is the unit and dimension of relative density? Density by density. Same by same unit, same unit by same unit. Relative density has no unit. Likewise, relative density has no dimension. No unit and no dimension, sir. Okay, sir. No problem. No unit and no dimension. No unit and no dimension. Since it is having no direction, it can treat it as a scalar quantity. It can be treated as a scalar quantity. And a device, there is a device